Hi friends, this is Esther. I hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato curry in Naga style. This is also the substitute of dal, especially in the villages. And yeah, this is also one of my favorite dish. Here I'll be using two potatoes. And yeah, the reason why I'm using only two potatoes is that I don't want the gravy to be very thick. And yeah, the potatoes, as you can see, it is not very even in shape, but then no worries as long as it gets cooked. And yeah, the other ingredients will be two tomatoes, some green chilies, dry fish, cauliflower, and then spring onion. But this spring onion and cauliflower, it is optional because we get only during it is a seasonal vegetable, so this is optional. So yeah, come, let's go ahead and prepare the potato sabji, or say aloo hampasha in our dialect.
Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon to get notification on
First
our
of all,
new
let's go
videos.
ahead and boil these three ingredients, that is tomato, potato, and green chilies. So let's roughly cut the potatoes. Secondly, tomatoes. And lastly, the green chilies. I'm just putting the green chilies this way because afterwards I'll be smashing it. Just this is salt to taste, and some water. So first of all, we will go ahead and cook this. We'll boil this. After that, we'll add the remaining ingredients. As we cook these three ingredients, burn this dry fish. Make sure that it don't get overburned. I'm using two dry fish because like it is not very it doesn't have a very strong smell. Otherwise, some dry fish, it has a very strong smell, so you can just use one. Now I'm cleaning the dry fish. I'm going to remove the head because I don't like this part. Okay, just remove the bones as well. This dry fish is also very tasty if you make chutney with fish meat. Now let's check this. Okay, so now I'll be adding the dry fish. I have already washed it, so let's just add it. Oh my god, it's smelling so good. It's gonna be very tasty. Let's close the lid again and let it boil for some time, because I can see that the tomatoes and the potatoes are not fully cooked now, because after it gets cooked I need to smash it. So just let it cook for some time again. So it's about 10 minutes now, so let's check the potatoes. Oh, it's tender now. I can mash it, but first of all I'll take out the green chilies. I think I put 6 green chilies. I usually count green chilies whenever I cook, because 6 green chilies I took it out. So now I'll roughly pound it. And next is the tomato. Oh, I can see one more green chili here. I missed it. I thought I only put 6, but it turns out to be 7. I think I'll need to add some water because it's getting dry now. But first of all, let's mash this. I mean the potatoes, tomatoes and green chili. Oh my god, I have to add garlic as well. I forgot to show you that. If you want, you can mash the entire potato, and if not, you can just keep 1 or 2. It's hot. Yes, I need to add some water. Let's add some water. This will do. now let's let it boil for some time again, and after that we'll add the remaining ingredients, that is the spring onion and the cauliflower, and at the end we'll add some garlic also, because garlic gives a very good taste in the curry. So let's cover it with a lid and let it boil for some time again. Let's cut the cauliflower. And cauliflower, as you know, if we buy from the market, it has lots of medicine, so I'll be boiling it before I add it in the potato curry. So now let's boil some water and let it boil. After that we'll add the cauliflower and we'll wash it off. So now let's add the cauliflower here. And I'm not going to let it cook for long because I'm just going to wash it. Okay, so now I'm boiling the cauliflower so that we can just get rid of the fertilizers, the smell that we usually get in the cauliflower, and also in the cabbages also we find the same smell. So before cooking we need to boil the water and wash it with warm water this way. So as I said, I'm not going to cook for long. This is done. I'll be washing it with cold water again 2 or 3 times, and then we'll add it in the curry. Alright, so now let's check the curry. Here it's getting thicker now, so let's add the cauliflower. I've already washed it, so you can just add it. Here it is. Now let's cover it with a lid and cut the spring onion and get ready with the garlic. Let's roughly cut the spring onions to garnish it. Next is the garlic. Here it is. Now let's pound it. Let's wash it before pounding it. let's add the garlic because it's almost done now. Add the spring onion. Oh my god, it's going to be very tasty. I need to cook the rice first because I haven't cooked the rice yet. I'm very hungry looking at it. Now let's cover it with the lid, and I'm not going to let it cook. This is done. Let's off the case now. Yeah. Okay, friends, so we are done with our potato curry, and yeah, let me show you how it looks like. This is how it looks, and yeah, it's very tasty as well.